माता की long live tribal unity. जोर से बोलिए long live tribal unity.
Hello, it's Miralyn Ingti and you're watching Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of society. Right now, I'm standing in front of the Semsonsing Ingti Park where the protest is being held and organized by the APHLC team. The protest is all about the clash between the Meitei community, the majority Meitei community and minority Kuki tribe. And since then, this clash is going on and it's not stopped till now. But instead, it's getting more and more crucial day by day. And not only that, the Meitei community have done a very inhuman act and shocking recently that we are able to see a video getting viral, a large mob of men parading two naked women, and they have been taken in the paddy field and they have been abused and raped several times. So now let's go and ask the organizer of this event as well as the leaders of the APHLC team.
इसके कारण वहां पे लड़ाई हुआ है।
So sir, it's been 3 months already that the government has not yet taken action till now. So what do you want to say regarding this?
It is surprising really that the Home Minister of India and NEDA chairman, that is the Chief Minister of Assam, also visited Manipur, but after their visit, the riot has become more serious. And then the government of Manipur has remained mere spectator. He cannot do anything. Instead, he was making a joke over the incident of the two women being paraded naked by criminals about 2 months ago. But it is hard that the government the police did not accept the FIR. Only after 2 months they have accepted, and only after showing the naked procession, forced naked procession of the women, only the government of India, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, also has spoken. We thank him for taking action, but it is too late. He has spoken only because he could not run the parliament anymore that day. Parliament had to be adjourned. Only because of that, he spoke to the press people that the culprits will be punished. But there are many more culprits. The culprits are not only those two, but the processionists who took out the two women in nakedly. These criminals are not only the criminals. There are many more criminals, and many destruction has been done. Many women had already been, Kuki women have already been raped, and of course the destruction has also caused the Meitei people. So we condemn the criminals. Criminals have got no race. They are criminals among Meiteis also. There may be criminals among Kuki also, and criminals in our own Karbi people also. But what we want is that the criminals must be punished immediately, and the riot must be stopped immediately. Why they have not been able to stop? It looks like as if some agent, maybe within the government, or forcing the government, some agent forcing the government not to take action against the riot, it seems. Now, if we say like this, then the government is also responsible. Why should the government be why should the government itself allow itself to be led by extremists? This is very bad thing. And so that incident in Manipur has put down the image of Indian nation in front of all nations in the world. So this is not us, but by the government itself, due to inaction of the government, due to remaining mere spectator to the riots, the government itself, India government itself, and the government of Manipur itself has placed the Indian nation in a lowest act in front of all nations in the world. So we condemn it, and now we demand that their president's rule should be imposed in Manipur immediately, and all criminals must be punished immediately, and compensation, sufficient, adequate compensation must be given to the victims, all victims, all destroyed dwelling houses, destroyed churches, destroyed places of worship, destroyed public property and private property must be restored. It must be repaired, and sufficient finance should be given by the government to the victims.
So, sir, as we are able to see, various places also have been protesting regarding this topic. So, what if the government is not yet taken the action? The government is not taking any action even after protesting. What will you do? You will keep on protesting, or you will stop protesting?
We will not stop protesting. We will unitedly, all the tribes people, all the Mongolian people, this indigenous Indian Mongolian people will join together, and we will go on protesting against it until we receive justice. The government remains spectator, mere spectator, because it is run by the RSS and Bongosena people. RSS people, they are acting on the basis of Manusmriti. In Manusmriti, according to them, all the Mongolian people and all other who are not Indian Aryan, they are all Shudra people, the lowest caste people. That is why, according to them, the lowest caste people must be made servants and slaves. They said in Manusmriti, in chapter 8, verse 116, it is said that the tribes people, the Shudra people, the Mongolian people have no property, no wife, no son, nothing. They all belong to the Brahmin people. It is written there. So the RSS and Bongosenas, they are acting on it. And the RSS and Bongosena is controlling government of India. That is why the government of India is unable to do anything to protect us.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, can you tell me how many community has joined in this protest?
In this protest, we invited the Kuki people, the Mitei people, the Mar people, Dimasa people, Garo, Khasi, Shyam, Rengmanaga, everyone. All the hill tribes, and we also invited the Assamese people also to participate along with us.
Thank you so much, sir. So, ma'am, nangthanita non kita bom clash Manipur along alam putak sta minangli hinmen ko pilokan ninje to ninjike.
Opini ladagru Semsonsing tia park along aki hai sir ji ai kathar sir party president APHLC pen alangli karbiang long east west di Mahasau district it home pen ang pangrum si pini Kuki lapen Meite lapen Garo Boro Dimasa lapen kadukawe inglong akai anaphan nilitum han ang pangrum si dak dharna ke dolo labang so dharna ke doke lake Manipur along arlo so tumaphan ape ari pache flok toy etlo anke arengang sisi lapu radang no pedama retlo tangte la kopisi lapuson chief minister Manipur state along lapuson Langdun ding lo. Lasi laki Manipur state chot kalilo. Karbi Anglong chot kalilo. Assam chot kalilo. All Northeast lapen all India. So arlo asong atum. Anke sarbi sarpu. Kachi song along. Risomar ukurjang tanan chisongon po. Arlo sumar anji chisong we po. Lapen bin sumar atum ta nilitum apipi lake nangar jabdun thipo lapen thitame rengtame nilitum so arlo song pan nang kilang rop lapuson inglong akhai schedule travel pan kilang rop kilang rem arengang se kapache hek akpen rat ang no kapatira anchot kali kapathi lapuson ke chichagun etiho chichagun eho chichagun masang mali chichagun eloho article 19 ki puhedi sang Article 19 ki puke constitutional long ki puke freedom of speech pulotang te itum kaning jetak hai nang jibang ke constitution kan si ikithandak lapen freedom of expression ilitum akisung kiduk nang kilang rem nang kilang rop lahai alam hedi constitutional long si kipuda article 19 si kipu lasi ilitum soarlo songtum ansitame lakitum asi chipadosi ilitum ke ningje dak ningje plin lapo lapen ke non memorandum ki pidam japan DC office long pidam po Narendra Modi phanta lepo Draupadi Murmu phanta President of India phanta lepo Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma phanta lepo lasi kachi song along ke lake abhi ong lake chi song pangtang ong po itu make manglong le tik sang selo red case in tonot lapen soarlo song phan aman ki pi bidet labang ke nang litum ning chi oi tha ning chi rui tha Manipur government Neta Chairman Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma nang no ching punon BJP government Karbi Anglong East West Mahasau a leader tum ake hai tuli ramrong hang sitame nang li se ching pudonon so arlo song phan nang li sitame ilitum kadukave ching hon se roi nang jipu matha damra arlo so phan aman ki piji phan nang li sitame BJP government pen ase chipadodonon BJP sarkar kan ke japon ke heng no dakhang janglo regional party sila dake pangtang po East West Mahasau Karbi Anglong ta regional party si pangtang po lapen so arlo song phan lake langpon pami po pinso kachi song long arlo so tumta arjabdun thip po
Chorolo. Let's pray for Manipur that soon they will find peace and harmony, and I hope the government will take in these upcoming days a very immediate action. And in this note, this protest news end with this. Keep on watching Northeast Karbi Live. Thank you.